This is the Mercedes-Benz GLS 450d AMG line, the flagship 7-seater SUV from Mercedes-Benz in India. Some call it the S-Class of SUVs as well. I call it a rolling luxury mansion. Big, bold, unapologetically AMG, and now with a night package that makes it look like Darth Vader's daily drive. If you're wondering who buys something this massive, people who value time, people who'd rather be chauffeured in a luxury chariot than waste hours driving themselves, and people who want the middle row to feel like a living room on wheels. Now, here's the first surprise. The GLS may look intimidating, but behind the wheel, it is easy. It's over 5.2 meters long, but the steering wheel is super light. The overall visibility is amazing, and with that 750 Newton meters of torque, which is at your disposal at all the time, this car just glides. It can also do a 0 to 100 km/h dash in just 6.1 seconds. That's hot hatch quick. And sure, some people can argue that the BMW X7 always felt a little more sportier, but this new GLS, it matches that spirit and then wraps it in velvet silence. Step inside, shut the door, and the outside world disappears. Thanks to acoustic glass and layers of insulation, the cabin is so quiet, it feels like you've entered another dimension. Honking, traffic, rain, gone. Instead, the Burmester surround sound system with Dolby Atmos gives you your own private concert hall. But the real story of the GLS is here, the second row. With the chauffeur package, you get extra legroom, softer headrest, recliner functions, even electric sunblinds. Dual 11.6-inch entertainment screens, a removable MBUX tablet, 5-zone climate control, ventilated and heated seats. It's like having your office, theater and lounge rolled into one. This is why the GLS exists, so that people who value time can spend it comfortably while being driven. Of course, the AMG line styling makes sure you're not just comfortable, you're making a statement. A bold grille, AMG aprons, 21-inch alloys, and with night package, everything from sunroof, rails to the wheels get high gloss black finish, stealth, wealth, Mercedes style. Inside you get an AMG steering wheel, AMG pedals, and premium Artico leather options. It's sporty but still dripping with elegance. Now, let's not forget, this is still a driver's SUV when you want it to be. The 3-liter diesel engine with mild hybrid boost makes highway cruising super effortless. The AIRMATIC suspension smooths out Indian roads like they really don't exist. And when you're on the move, the size kind of never overwhelms you. That's the beauty about German engineering, you know, all that bulk just kind of shrinks around you. What about tech? The GLS is loaded. Dual 12.3-inch MBUX screens, wireless charging in the front and rear, 100-watt USB-C ports, keyless go with hands-free tailgate. For safety, you get 9 airbags, level 2 ADAS with lane change assist and blind spot detection, a 360-degree camera and pre-safe crash mitigation. This isn't luxury, it's luxury with brain. So who buys the GLS? Well, it's super simple. If you're someone who values time, who'd rather ride than drive, and want their family or business partners to travel in ultimate comfort, this is your luxury SUV, or the ultimate luxury SUV. Think of it as a statement. You've arrived, literally as well as figuratively. Now, in India, when it comes to full-size luxury SUVs, you have exactly two choices: the BMW X7 and the Mercedes GLS. I know there's a third and fourth one as well, but I don't consider them in the same league. The X7 is sharper to drive and gives you the option of captain seats in the middle row. The GLS doesn't, and for some, that's the only deal breaker. But if you want unmatched rear seat comfort, insulation that makes you forget the outside world, and features packed to the roof, the GLS 450d AMG line is the epitome of 7-seater luxury. But in reality, whichever you pick, the GLS or the X7, you'll always arrive in style. So guys, that was the GLS 450d AMG line. Let me know in the comments, if you had the money, would you buy this or the BMW X7? I'm Siddhartha Sharma. Until next time, wear a seatbelt, drive within speed limits, respect the drivers around you, and I'll see you in the next one.